Hi, this is Sean from Untitled Coins, and today we've got some copper coins back from our PCGS submission. First thing got our submission of copper coins from PCGS. We're going to open up the box and share them with you, and hopefully we got some amazing grades out of it. Alright, so I'm glad to join you guys today. So hopefully we got some copper cents that we sent off, some half cents, large cents, and some key date Lincoln pennies that we recently got back from PCGS. So let's open the box and see what kind of grades that we got. Alright, all together we got 6 coins. First coin up is a key date Indian wheat cent. This one, as you can see, is a 1909S with the VDB. Couple of red spots on it. Usually that's considered from sitting on something like an old album. I originally bought this collection on an old Whitman album. So it's just the way it's stored. It got the red spots on it. But it came back in a nice grade, as you can see here. It's an AU58. Which is really nice. It's still got almost nice original copper luster to it. So I'm very happy about this grade. It's hard to find 09S VDBs and AU or better type grades. So very happy about this one. Next up, another key date Indian wheat cent. Here we got a 1922, and as you can see, the D is missing on this one. So this is a 1922, no D, and there's 2 different varieties. There's a weak reverse and a strong reverse. And this one has got, as you can see, the wheat stalks are full. And this one is the strong reverse. And that's one good way of telling, 1922D, the strong reverses, if it's real or not right away, is if you think the D is missing there, if the obverse is weakly struck like this is, and the back is got a strong strike on the back, normally that's a good indicator that it is a real 1922D, 22 no D wheat cent. And this one came back a grade as a VF20, which is very nice. Nice original straight grade for this coin. And as you can see, weak obverse and a very strong reverse. Good indication that it's a genuine coin when you're looking at a raw one. Next up, we have semi-key date Indian cent. And this one is an 1871. Nice original color to the coin. Full Liberty on it. Nice little full headdress on it. Nice original color on the reverse also. And this one came back as XF45. So very happy on the grade on this one. Next up, we got an early half cent coin. This is a 1794 half cent. Second year half cent coin made by the U.S. Mint. Nice original color to it. And you notice on these half cents, obverses, the early half cents, obverses are nicely struck. Reverse a lot of times is weakly struck on the coins. That's another indicator if it's genuine or not. If the front is got a better strike than the reverse. As you can see, the half cents almost wore off, but you can see when you hit the light just right. And this one came back in a straight grade, which I'm very happy. And it's a VG10. So nice original straight grade, original 1794 half cent. Next up, we have another half cent. This one is a 1797. I really like this darker color on the coin. It makes it the contrast on the rim and on the head very distinct, which is nice. And on the reverse, got your half cent worn up, but you can still see it. This one came back another straight grade from PCGS as a good 6, but with the plain edge, meaning there's no letters on the edge and the edge is flat. So very nice, original, early half-cent. And last coin, we've got a 1797 half-cent. Nice original coin. And you can still see the half-cent when you hit it in the light just right. And also you can see in the reverse. Nice little close-up view. And this one came back also in a straight grade as a good 6. Again with the plain edge, meaning no letters or read it. So another nice early U.S. copper half-cent. So I'm very happy. We had no details. Everything's straight graded, which is always nice. It's always a bummer when you get a details grade, but it's nice when you get everything that's a straight grade and with the nice original U.S. copper coins. Thank you for joining me. We're going to have more videos coming up. Always like and subscribe, and I hope I see you again on our next video and our next unboxing. Thank you.